Well, hey everyone, it's 7 Jeff Yang. How you guys doing? So this video is me and my two kids going out to the March Air Force Base air show, and we had a little bit of trouble getting in. It was so silly. I accidentally left my pocket knife in my pocket, and of course you can't get into an Air Force base with a knife in your pocket. So I had to actually hike it all the way back to my car, put it back in. So basically, I didn't have as much time at the air show as I would have liked. It was quite hot out this day, about 90 degrees, but here are some of the best clips from the air show that I got, and I had a really fun time. And at the end of this video, I want you guys to guess how many air shows that I've actually been to in my lifetime. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey kiddos, it's hot. There's a huge line to get in. Oh man, you guys, I'm so glad I got in because there's so many cool planes here. The Texan flying earlier in the Bearcat with a jet. It was awesome. Beautiful chipmunk here. And we're gonna see. Look at this beauty. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful Trojan. Yes, sirree. Here he comes. Now watch John. C-47, just like mine that I have at home.
It has a really, really distinct sound, like a really insane balance actually.
The old thumbs up? Alright. Thanks. Yeah, I built a model of one of these when I was a kid.
Wilbur's gonna call left turn.
It's like,
Yeah. Okay, here's three paintings I've owned. The Texan, the Cessna, and the PT-17. 3 planes. Yeah, we got another biplane pilot. These guys are awesome. Doing some aero adventures. Alright guys, we have A-10 and a Raptor in the air right now. I really wanted to see the A-10. There we go. Sorry for the shaking. Yeah, there we go. The old Iron Cross.
Oh, there's the F-35.
Oh yeah.
So I think the other.
Okay, we got some A-10 action. Yeah, buddy. It looks so good. Come on, just fire the guns just once. Just put it in.
Just in the parking lot.
Oh my gosh. What a great shot. Look, it's just full crossed out. I know what plane I'm flying tomorrow. Okay guys, while we are watching one of my favorite jets in the whole world, the A-10, I will give you the answer to my question. How many air shows have I been to? This is actually the first official air show that I've actually been to, and I've been meaning to go to them all my life. I'd been to one kind of airplane pilots get-together, but it wasn't an official air show. It was my buddy Alex, you know. Anyway guys, had a great time at the air show, and I plan to go to several more in the future, so I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Thanks.
That's pretty cool.
There we go. Okay, I think I'm good.